Hi, this is Jyoti from Tenet Technetronics. Today, let us see the demonstration of BeagleBone DVI cable using Android 2.3 on BeagleBone. So here is the BeagleBone DVI cable. This DVI cable provides a DVI interface for the BeagleBone. The DVI output is 16-bit and it is provided via the HDMI connector. This cable features two stackable 46 position and one stackable 10 position header which can be easily mounted on the BeagleBone. So connecting this cable to the BeagleBone, we can connect the HDMI to DVI connector and see the display. So for this demonstration, I am using BeagleBone mounted with a DVI cable, a 4GB SD card with gingerbread binaries, as well as a power supply which is 5V 1A supply to power up my BeagleBone, and I have HDMI to DVI cable to see the display. Let us check the connections now. Here is the BeagleBone DVI cable with the BeagleBone. So the cable is mounted on top of the BeagleBone, and I am powering up my board through 5V 1A supply, as well as I am connecting here a HDMI to DVI cable in order to see the display. This is the home screen of the Android. So let's unlock the screen. Click the menu button. So let us check the settings of the Android. So click on the settings. And go to About Phone to know the details of the Android. Here you can find the model number as BeagleBone and the Android version is 2.3.4 with the kernel version 3.1. Let us check some of the videos and photos. So go to Gallery. Here click on the images. You can see the slideshow of different images here. Let us check a video now. Thanks for watching this video. For more information and queries, please log on to our website www.tenetech.com.